Hi, this is Dave, Feld Running Guide. Welcome to this week's navigation task. Got a simple one for you this week. I just want to know what is the height or the elevation of the feature circled, so looking for the end of that stream there. So what is its height above sea level in meters? Now, to be able to work this out, you need to know or understand three things. So you need to understand what a spot height is. You need to understand what is meant by contour intervals, and you need to understand index contours. Now, I'll post a video up the top right of the screen that explains things like that in more detail if you're unsure of those. So the map that we're using at the moment is the Ordnance Survey 1 to 25,000 map, and we haven't got a lot of information about height other than this here, this 322. There's a little orange dot there, which is a spot height. So that's telling us that the height of that dot there is 322 meters above sea level. So that's the first thing, spot height. What about contour intervals? So that means what the contours go up in. Now, on a 1 to 25,000 map, they go up in 10 meter intervals and 5 meter intervals, or 5 meter intervals. So, for example, if they went up in 10 meter intervals and this was the 100 meters, then going uphill away from the river in the bottom, it'd be 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. If they were going up in fives, again from the 100 meter, it would be 100, then 105, 110, 115, 120, 125. Now, if you actually bought a physical map, a paper map, and looked on the side on the key, it would say contour intervals are 10 meters or 5 meters. If you're using an extract from online mapping, which I am, then it doesn't tell you that. We need to work it out. So think about this. If the contours go up in 10 meter intervals, then the fifth contour line, which is called an index contour, and you see these are bold. So we've got one there, and then the next 5 go up 5 more, and that's a bold one. Another 5, that's a bold one. These index contours. If it's going up in tens, then if we start at sea level at 0, then the first index contour is going to be 50 meters above sea level, and then the next one 100 meters, the next one 150, the next one 200. So they end in either 00 or 50, so either hundreds or 150s. If they go up in 5 meter intervals from sea level, the first one would be 25 meters, and then 50, and then 75, and then 100. So they'd have to end, the index contours would have to end in either 00, 25, 50, or 75. Hope you've got that so far. Right, let's go back to this spot height. We see this spot height is right next to, immediately below, an index contour. So that's going to help us work out if these contours are going up in 5 or 10 meter intervals. So I've just said if they were 10 meter intervals, the contour, the index contour here, would have to end in a 00, i.e. 100, some 100, 100, 200, 300, or a 50, 50, 150, 250, etc. Now it's right next to this spot height of 322, so it can't be ending in 100. It wouldn't. There's not enough contour lines in there for that to work. So it makes sense that this is an index contour that ends in 25, which would be the 325 contour. And it makes sense that it's going up from 322 because we'd be going uphill from this river in the bottom. So up the hillside, 322 spot height, meaning this is the 325 index contour. Right, and then once you know that, if that's the 325, then going down, the next index contour is the 300, and then going back up the other side, well, there's the 300 again. Next one's 325, next one's 350, which means that the next individual contour is 355, and the end of our stream is between the two. So the answer is it's above the 350 contour, just below the 355 contour, so you could call it 353 meters. Okay, hope that all made sense. Hope you knew, or hope you learnt something. Anyway, thanks for watching. Look out for next week's navigation task. Bye for now.